my pivot, I can't stop, I can't let niggas hold me. Claim that they solid hoes, stop snitching on they fucking homie. So I'm aware of my surroundings, watching niggas closely. Up in these trenches, it get real, little nigga. Flex with your shit and you get killed, little nigga. Up at this whip, banana peel, little nigga.
Oh, I'm gonna break this motherfucker. Hey man. Hey man, say man, this your boy BSOJ3, and we back with another video. Think fast. We finna vlog today, like I said. I'm low-key just not waking up and shit. But no videos, man, so that's what we gotta do. We on the hustle. It smell like what, mom?
Shit, doo-doo. No.
Every day I'm uploading a video on where I'm at, what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned for that studio vlog though, November 19th. Alright, y'all, we finna walk to the store. I'm finna go get some guards and shit, so I can roll up some gas, man, smoke for the morning, you know what I'm saying? Cause I just woke up, but we gonna catch y'all when we here, no cap, let's go. I ain't gonna lie, this shit get like, this YouTube shit, bro, it pay off. Like most of y'all don't know, like, when you do something consistently, bro, it pay off, I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? The more you do it, for me, I edit my own videos, you know what I'm saying? I edit all my own videos. I also post my own videos, you know what I'm saying? So eventually you can work your way up to your own team, you know what I'm saying? You work your way up to your own team. You got people that'll do it for you, you know what I'm saying? You got people that'll edit your videos for you. You know what I'm saying? You got people that do different shit like that. Right now I'm on my own, so I need y'all team. I need y'all to help me get to 1,000 subscribers on my second channel, the J3 TV. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? So let's check in, let's tune in. It been raining like shit, bro. Water everywhere, bro. That's my old job right there, bro. Working in McDonald's is like working for a fucking slave shit. Like, you working at this, bro, it's non-stop, bro. Like, any of y'all who going to McDonald's or putting in your application, bro, please be thoughtful. What the fuck I gotta face after that shit? Hey, bro, don't be speeding like that, bro. I'll come over there and whoop your ass.
Bro, that's my uncle.
That's your uncle. Time I come in this motherfucker, they always got a problem with me, bro. I don't know what it is. Sepco 711, whatever the fuck you say, bro. For y'all, bro. Y'all got an issue with me, bro. So
I'm gonna stay back here.
Fuck, I didn't bring my ID, bro. And I already know they're gonna be on some other shit, bro. They're gonna. Shit, she left. Hey, y'all, we finna go look at some guns and shit. Welcome to my MTV crib. Let's go. First, when you walk in, you got some lovely items. How's it going, man?
All good, you video?
Yeah, man. It is, because I came in here about 2 times, and every time I come in here, it's good energy. I feel like I need to lose some weight. I don't even show it, bro, but whew. Yeah. Gun and Pawns. So we're in Gun and Pawns in Gatesville. Got everyone to look for some good weaponry, some good, the same quality. Come here, you know what I'm saying? They got different things that y'all can see. I'm not gonna lie though. That mug, I don't know if that's a shotgun or what, bro, but that mug clean, bro, no cap.
It's a rifle.
Got the little snake eye in that mug, bro. Got some pretty decent guns. Got the AR. That's a nice gun. But yeah, pretty much, I do have my fair share of, you know what I'm saying, firearms, but I'm not really deep into it like that. Whoever need help figuring out what kind of guns y'all looking for, come here. This is not promotion. I'm not sponsored, sadly, but Come to this store, no crap.
Y'all have a good one.
You too. If I had a Jeep, bro, I ain't gonna lie, like, look at that Jeep, bro. That much. God damn. I ain't gonna cap, bro. My dream car is a fucking Charger, but I drive a Jeep anyway. Fuck, I can't get myself. Smoking on ops. Smoking on ops. We on the block. Keep 32 Glock. If you gonna smoke, you get hit up. J3 TV, man. We going viral with this shit, bro. We going viral. We going up. We going through the roof, bro. Through the roof. I ain't gonna lie to y'all though. It get harder. It get hard as you go. But I got 1,000 subscribers on my last page, bro. Think I can't do it on this one, bro? The dedication I'm putting into it, bro. These edits y'all see, bro. You gonna see. Actually, no, a job interview page. When you actually get the job and when you at your interview, you just act fucking, you just act like a thug, basically. They thinking you being serious, but really, like, shout out to Gideon though. Shout out to Gideon. Funny Marco, funny fucking Marco, bro. That's my nigga Funny Marco, man. Hey man, so we went to the store, we went to the gun store and shit like that. We didn't really get into too much, so I'm gonna catch y'all when we is getting into something. You know what I'm saying? Cause we bound to get into some shit. Might run into some fucking Karens, might troll some people. Y'all help me get better video ideas. No cap, cause I'm gonna need them, bro. I can't believe I got my ID, bro. If y'all don't got no ID, bro, it's gonna be hard for y'all to do a lot of shit. We made it to the crib. Next thing's next. And figure out what we finna do next so I can keep making content for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all stay tuned, bro. Let's get it. Let's go. Hey, bro, come on, bro. We gotta go to the gym, dog. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Lollygagging and shit, man. Come on, bro.
Make some shorts.
Alright, bet. Nigga lollygagging and shit, man. Trying to get my workout on your head, man. But we gotta go soon, bro. That's on me. That's on me, nigga. Yeah, so I figured out something to do. Nigga, I was bored as hell for a minute. Like, you know what, nigga? Gym membership, nigga. So, that's what I'm finna do. Finna go to the gym and shit, get my workout on, you know what I'm saying? I might even do some other shit. It just depends, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm just gonna vlog shit till I come up with better ideas, nigga. Y'all gonna watch it. Let's go. Boom. All right, y'all. So we made it to the gym. I didn't record my workout at all, so I'm gonna show y'all just a little bit at the end of it. But yeah.
I stepped outside with no vest on, yeah.
What you getting in, bro? What you getting in? Alright. So I'm gonna work on my forearms and shit. Look at that.
On, yeah. Niggas want me gone, niggas want me stepped on, yeah. I'm smoking stone cause I've been stressed on, yeah. Gotta wake niggas up cause I've been slept on, yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't worked out in a minute, dog. Goddamn volleyball shirt, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I will whoop your ass on volleyball, though. I'm gonna do my bench press right quick.
Stone cause I've been stressed on, yeah. Gotta wake niggas up cause I've been slept on.
You said what?
I think it's 100%. So I think I'm putting 45 now.
That shit low. I was gonna work out, bro. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, bro. But like, this shit over. Probably gonna knock out some of these too.
I stepped outside with no vest on, yeah. Niggas want me gone, niggas want me stepped on, yeah. I'm smoking stone cause I've been stressed on, yeah. Gotta wake niggas up cause I've been slept on, yeah. I've been up in these trenches.
Hey y'all, so that concludes the workout, man. Big muscle tight shit. Oh shit. So anyway, yeah, that concludes the workout, man. We're gonna catch y'all when we back at the crib or the next location. Feel me? Like I said, I'm gonna make my videos a lot longer, probably about 14 minutes a piece. After that shit, we gonna run it up. So yeah, let's go. With that said, man, Gatesville Fitness Center, man. I ain't gonna hold you, my boy. That was a little workout, bro. I feel good, no cap. Encourage a lot of y'all to work out, no cap. We currently waiting on, I'm waiting on this dude, man. Waiting on his ass to get his shit together, you know. But I'm waiting on him to call whoever he was calling and shit when he get off the phone with them. Then we gonna see y'all when we get back and shit. Make sure y'all like these videos, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, bro. Make sure y'all turn on the post notifications, you feel me? Cause, bro, I am putting a lot of editing into these videos. So, I'm gonna need y'all to stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all.
These trenches and you know when young nigga be rolling. I'm on my pivot, I can't stop, I can't let niggas hold me. Claim that they solid, whole time snitching on they fucking homie. So I'm aware of my surroundings, watching niggas closely. I'm in these trenches and you know when young nigga be rolling. I'm on my pivot, I can't stop, I can't let niggas hold me. Claim that they solid, whole time snitching on they fucking homie. So I'm aware of my surroundings, watching niggas closely.
We gon' close the bitch up, no issue. Hold on, you for who did it?